Hi viewers, if you own a YouTube channel or if you have a Google Play Store account or you have signed up for Amazon, Shopify, Upwork, Fiverr or any other platform using Google account, then your account is at the risk of deletion. Why I'm saying that? Because Google has just updated their Google account policy, which I'm going to tell you in detail in this video. Viewers, if you ignore this policy, then your Google account will be deleted. So what you have to do is watch this video till then. My name is Sazaman Thanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see at the right side of the screen that this is the Google blog and this is the post which was posted on May 16, 2023. You can see it's about updating our inactive account policies. You can see in this blog the text, which is our internal analysis shows abandoned accounts are at least 10x less likely than active accounts to have two-step verification setup, meaning these accounts are often vulnerable, and once an account is compromised, it can be used for anything from identity theft to a vector for unwanted or even malicious content like spam. So they are doing to reduce this risk. So to reduce this risk, we are updating our inactivity policy for Google accounts to 2 years across our products. Starting later this year, if a Google account has not been used or signed into for at least 2 years, we may delete the account and its contents, including content within Google Workspace, Gmail, Docs, Drive, Meet, Calendar, and Google Photos. The policy only applies to personal Google accounts. So this policy is only applied to the personal Google accounts and will not affect accounts for organizations like schools or businesses. This update aligns our policy with industry standards around retention and account deletion and also limits the amount of time Google retains your unused personal information. We are going to roll this out slowly and carefully with plenty of notice. While the policy takes effect today, it will not immediately impact users with an inactive account. The earliest we will begin deleting accounts is December 2023. So it's starting the deletion of Google accounts from December month. We will take a phased approach, starting with accounts that were created and never used again. Before deleting an account, we will send multiple notifications over the months leading up to deletion to both the account email address and the recovery email if one has been provided. So there is more also about to read about this. You can see this text that if your account is considered inactive, we will send several reminder emails to both you and your recovery emails, if any have been provided. Before we take any action or delete any account content, these reminder emails will go out at least 8 months before any action is taken on your account. After a Google account is deleted, the Gmail address for the deleted account cannot be used again when creating a new Google account. So yeah. Now coming towards that how you can save your Google account from deletion. You can read here that how to keep your account active. The simplest way to keep a Google account active is to sign in at least once every 2 years. If you have signed into your Google account or any of our services recently, your account is considered active and will not be deleted. Activity might include these types of actions you take when you sign in or while you are signed into your Google account. Reading or sending an email, using Google Drive, watching a YouTube video, downloading an app on the Google Play Store, using Google Search, using sign in with Google to sign in to a third-party app or service. If you have an existing subscription set up through your Google account, for example to Google One, a news publication or an app, we also consider this account activity and your account will not be impacted. Additionally, we do not have plans to delete accounts with YouTube videos at this time. So yeah, if you have an account and you have uploaded more than one video on it, then that account will not be impacted by this policy. So this is a GIF you can see which is showing up that how you can activate your Google account. You have to simply sign in and your Google account will be active. There are also exceptions. Let me show you that also. Viewers, you can see this text which is there are some exceptions to this policy. Examples include a Google account with YouTube channels, videos or comments, an account that has a gift card with a monetary balance, or an account that has a published application, for example one that hosts an app on the Google Play Store. Other exceptions to this policy are available here. So I will tap on here and you can see here are the exceptions to this policy. You can see I have expanded this exceptions to this policy. A Google account is considered active even if it has not been used within a 2-year period if one or more of these applies. Your Google account was used to make a purchase of a Google product, app, service or subscription that is current or ongoing. Your Google account contains a gift card with a monetary balance. Your Google account owns a published application or game with ongoing active subscriptions or active financial transactions associated with them. This might be a Google account that owns an app on the Google Play Store. Your Google account manages an active minor account with Family Link. Your Google account has been used to purchase a digital item, for example a book or movie. So viewers, this was all about this policy. So if you follow this policy, then your Google account will never be deleted. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new in my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.